Look at this. Scratches, misalignments. We've lost 30% of our profit this month just on rejects.
Boss, the manual assembly is too slow and mistakes are inevitable.
If this continues, we won't have a factory by next year. Is this even real? Incredible. No human hand could ever be this steady. I traveled 20,000 kilometers for this. Can you customize one for my specific tube design?
Of course, Martin. In Ruizhi, precision is our only language.
Then let's do it. I want the best machine China has to offer. Hey guys, look at my new workshop. Since the Ruizhi machines arrived, our cost dropped by 40%. And the quality? It's perfect. Cost down, quality up. Thank you, Ruizhi. You saved my factory.